I'm here at the Hydromat booth, number 8340 in the South Hall with Roger Boswell. Roger, tell me what we're going to see in the booth today.
Well, today we have a Hydromat Epic 4512 rotary transfer machine. We've got it set up on a very unique little show part here for our attendees to visit. The machine setup are configured with a standard 12-foot automatic bar feeder, which we feed the material into the machine through the cutoff saw. The Hydromat concept is a principle of a progressive manufacturing approach where we have multiple pieces inside the machine. We transfer that work piece in front of each of the working spindles. So we have a progressive production or manufacturing process where we start machining the work piece, rough drilling operations, form, ream operations. We have a couple of 3-axis spindles set up for transmit milling for rough and finish operations. Finishing the first side of the workpiece, coming to what we call our inverting station right here at position 7. We sequence here actually a finished vertical milling operation with the invert, putting the workpiece in the fixture. Now we're able to work on side 2, the back side of the workpiece. Profile turning operation, a pinch style cross drill, roll marking capabilities at position 10 with a finished ream of a cross hole, and another transmit milling operation here at position 11. Final station is 12, where we have a automatic unload with part diverting, good bad part separation.
So this is really all-in-one solution. That's the benefit?
That's the benefit, exactly. It's a productivity approach where we're minimizing the cycle time, maximizing the output or the throughput for the customer.
Well, let's go see the part.
Absolutely. Whitney here at Station 12 is our automatic part unloader, where we have a gantry with a 2-jaw gripper, end of arm tooling that would go out and take the workpiece out of the table collet. The unloader would bring the workpiece out of the machine, and depending through the part tracking capability, the part would be exited down through the good parts exit. If it was a bad part, we would divert it over here out in the non-conforming product group. With the workpiece here, this is a good part here, producing it in about a 13 and a half second cycle time.
Wow.
Pretty impressive.
That's incredible.
Yeah. Thank you. Complete from bar stock in about 13 and a half seconds.
Well, let's go see what else you have in the booth.
Sounds great. Thank you. Well, Whitney, this is the Icon 6150 multiple station Miltern production center. It's a similar concept as the Hydromat, where we have multiple pieces in the machining process, but it's a little bit different approach. It's more of a flexible lower mix type solution. Each of the working stations is a 4-axis type Miltern, where we have the working spindle on an XYZ slide with the work holding as a full 4th axis with the ability for vertical turning up to about 5,000 RPM. Each working position has a 16-position pocket type tool changer, so we can get in some multiple tools, multiple operations. Also lends into flexibility for quicker changeovers. Customer can have that tooling set here in the tool changer for that next job whenever they want to do that changeover.
What are some of the applications and industries that would be interested in this machine?
Similar to the Hydromat industries, automotive, medical, we've had some recent success, connectors, fluid plower type applications.
Okay, well, let's go see your last machine over here in the corner.
Sounds great.
So this machine is for larger parts. Talk to me about this one.
Correct, Whitney. This is a Lycon Liflex 444. It's a 5-axis twin spindle machine, in belief of Hydromat and having multiple spindles and multiple pieces in the process. This follows that, but yes, we are talking about work pieces in the 450 millimeter range for this particular model. It's got a larger brother that goes up to 750 millimeters, so some very big work pieces. Showing here, we've got multiple pieces here in the pallet, being loaded here in the pallets. This front technology module is a pallet changer. The benefit there is that the machine can be in production. You see the 2 fixtures there in the back of the machine, where the working spindles are doing the machining operations. In the meantime, an operator or automation can be taking finished product out of the fixtures here, putting new raw material in, And once the machining cycle time is completed, the pallet transfer is about a 9-second transfer time. So it's a benefit of productivity, added productivity, and added value in that regard. This machine, as the Icon machine, is equipped with automatic tool changers. Each working spindle has a 30-position tool changer. And again, it's a 4 or 5-axis production solution where we can have 5-sided machining in one single clamping.
And what kinds of materials are you working on?
We're working with all types of steels, steel forgings, investment castings, aluminum, titanium. And again, industries here, primarily the automotive, maybe some high fluid power as well. But you know, the larger type components, as we talked earlier, in that 450 up to 750 millimeter work envelope.
All right, well, thank you so much, Roger, for talking with us. Absolutely. And be sure to stop by the Hydromat booth here in the South Building.